Good morning everyone. My suggestion from 10th standard. Do you all know January? Yeah, no, I'm joking. We all know January. January is the month, first month of the year. So it's a month from Roman mythology. So it was named after their mythological god Janus. Looks like Thanos. Okay, their mythological god Janus, uh, who had two faces. One is looking towards the future, which is more young, ambitious, and energetic, and the another phase which is looking towards the past, which is very more mature and more wiser one. So I think January, out of all the months, which gives a wonderful time to think ourselves, to ask ourselves four questions, four simple questions. Question number one: Where I am today? At Boni Pragnagar is a wrong answer. Where I am today in my life, in the terms of leadership, leadership journey, entrepreneurship journey, business journey, etc. Where I am today. And number two, question number two, ladies and gentlemen, what did I, what things did I, how did I get here? What things I do right? What's my commitment? What's my passion? What's my vision brought me here? What are my strengths? How did I get here? And question number three is a natural outcome of first two these questions. So where I am today, how did I get here? And question number three is where would I like to go? Where would I like to go? So there is a saying from great American philosopher Emerson. So yes, he has said that to the persons who doesn't know where he or she is going, to the persons who doesn't know where he or she is going, the wind is not favorable to the person. To the person who doesn't know where to port the sailing, the wind is not favorable to the person anymore. So the world, remember that world will make the way to the persons who knows where he or she is going. World will make the way to the persons who are, who knows he or she is going, who knows where he or she is going. So another person, Michael Jordan, who divided human beings into three categories. Category number one, the people those who wish things would happen, daydreamers. And second one, the people that makes things actually happen. And the third category, the people those who wonder what happened. Yeah. You heard right, the people who wonder what happened, because we are living the times of accelerated change, more competition and more complexity. The three C's: more change, more competition, and more complexity. So change is happening so far that we don't even know when we get struck by the change. So I have raised four questions. No, I have raised three questions. First question is where I am today, and second question is how did I get here, and third question is where would I like to go, and fourth one is what are my strategies, what are my plans to get my destination successful. So this is the important question that we have to raise in our life, that we have to raise in our daily life also. So what are our strategies, what are our plans to get successful destination? So what we have to simply do is to somewhat what the just now I have said about the consideration of Janus, which they derived the name and they have named the first month of a year, so which means the beginning. So January is a month of beginning. Everyone knows that it's about the transitions and transformations, resolutions. Many people kept resolutions that I have to work hard this year, I have to get good grades this year. So transition and transformation, so I have to make note of that word, transition. Yeah, transition, transition and transformation. Transition is transiting to one form to another form. By recognizing, everybody can recognize when you get transited to one form to another form in the way to lower grades to an average grade of a person. I'm talking about the main and important thing, transformation. Yeah, transformation. You had right. Transformation, the word itself tells that transformation. The transform, to go beyond the form, to change more and more. I have mentioned more and more. Transformation means to go beyond, transform to form, change more and more. Just like when I say about ice is melting and converted into water, or water is heated up and converted into steam, is changed more and more. No, I'm not talking about state. It has changed more and more. That its old form is not recognized anymore. So if I give water, can you recognize that it came from ice? With the conception, you can tell that it came from ice by melting it. But you cannot. The person who doesn't know the knowledge about water cannot say that It came from ice. It just got from rain, like that he will tell, because it has changed as much as possible, as its old form is not recognized anymore. That's the transformation we should have in our life. That's the spirit we should have in our life. That's the transformation. Thank you.